Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain you how to do RTC clock, real-time clock, and also alarm setting. And let's start with the pinout and configuration part. In here, I firstly let me show you the timers. I first initialize the clock source. I activated it, and also I set this as RTC output on the temper pin. This provides opening of the alarm settings, and below that we can see some parameter settings. We can set the time. We can set the hours, minutes, and seconds of the RTC, and also we can set the parameters of the alarm A, called alarm A. And here there are some external interrupts. These are R minus, R plus, minute minus, minute plus, and second minus, second plus. And this is for buzzer. And these outputs are for the showing the clock. I mean, I'm showing the clock with the LEDs on the board. So I will show you later on. And yeah, I think that's almost. And also I initialized the timer 1 for sending a PWM signal to the board and power the buzzer when the clock is equal to the alarm. The clock parameters are equal to the alarm parameters. Let's pass to the code. I will show you the code. And first I initialize this. And these are coming from the configuration parts automatically. And first, before the while loop, I just set these, because if I'm not setting these before the while loop, the alarm, alarm resets itself when I press the pin set, when I press the external interrupt. So that's why initially I defined them before the while loop, and then these are as the Abdülkadir Hoca did in the lab hour. And also I just made some changes on it. For example, if alarm is 0, it means the board will be showing the RTC, yes, simultaneously actually. And this is for the first digit, first digit of the second, and second digit of the seconds. And these are for showing the clock with LEDs. And also I did the same for minutes, and I did the same for hours. And this is as if alarm flag is 1, that means if we are in the mode of setting alarm, this code will work. And lastly, if alarm times, alarm parameters are equal to RTC parameters in terms of hours, minutes, and seconds, whole team PWM start. It means the buzzer starts working, and there's a delay for 5 seconds, and then it will stop. And the RTC will continue counting. The code part is done, I think. I think everything is clear, and I will pass to the board. I will show you how the code works on the board. Yes, now we are in the board part, and we will show how it works on the board, how the code is working. And the RTC clock is counting continuously, and when we press the button of alarm pin, it shows us the alarm parameters, and we can change the alarm here, and the second, we can change the minute like that, we can change the hour like that. Yes, and now we are waiting for RTC to be equal to the alarm, and the buzzer will work in this situation. This LED will work, will toggle, and buzzer will make a sound. Yes, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this toggled, and also the buzzer made some sounds for just 5 seconds according to code. You can see how it works like that. It starts when they are equal, and there is a delay for 5 seconds, and it stops.